Hey! How are we, everyone? I am back from camp. Well, it's been a couple of days since I've been back from camp because I got back Sunday. Oh, it was a fun day driving tractors all day. Anyway, alright, the videos that I'm about to put up are from when me and Pugski Bro, previously known as fred53ish1, went kayaking during camp because everyone else was going to Tasmania, which, you know, it's a giant maze. Nobody likes mazes, especially when you've been there thousands of times. So we ditched and went kayaking instead. These are some of the videos from it. Till next time. I'm now kayaking, and I'm like casually drifting. Oh, is it covering the thing now? It's not gonna work. It's not gonna work. Yeah. It's gonna no. Okay, never mind.
Maybe you can hear me.
It's in the screen thingo. Okay, well, we're casually. I got this.
One hand. Oh, one hand is like a box.
I got. Oh, covering the screen.
We're currently kayaking.
Move out of the way. Never mind. I've got this.
I'm out of the way, man.
So like, we're. What?
Maybe switch hands and then do it with your other hand.
Yeah, that'll work. What's the difference?
You see what we're doing?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So this vlog, it's kind of. We saw earlier that we were going kayaking. Yeah, it's kind of just a vlog of Shannon trying to kayak with one hand. And you're not even pointing at me, you're pointing
No, well, stop moving forward.
No, you're pointing up in the sky. There
Now I'm pointing at you. It's all good. It's all good.
There we go. Check out, I'm something. I was like, check out, I'm something. That's not right.
It really is.
There's some little kids.
This is like full HD. Move away, full.
Okay. There's some. Oh, I'm sorry. You can't. You're drifting. Oh, grab me. No, with your hand. Okay, there we go.
We got it. It's all good. We're stabilised. So there's some random people. Oh, you're on YouTube, you're famous.
It's really cold. It is.
You want to feel how cold it is?
Yeah, we could. Is it?
It's waterproof. It is waterproof.
Have you tested it?
We wash it.
You wash it? Oh, it's around your neck. You can't even put it on the water. Dang it.
Yeah, interesting.
You should just put it on the water for 1 second. Like lean over and put it on the water.
I can't lean over. Oh, gosh.
Maybe put it around your wrist like 6 times and then throw it in the water again.
What's that? Okay, well, underwater.
Underwater!
It sounds weird, actually. It's like...
Oh, that's cool.
Don't push hard, don't push hard.
Paddle away.
Okay, we got this.
So are we going up onto this bridge or what?
Let's do it.
Alright, do you want to video the whole thing?
No. Alright, we'll log once we get to the bridge.
Maybe after.
Yep, anyway. Bye. We're vlogging. We just pretty much got to the bridge.
I think I can go high.
I'm like drifting. Paul's gonna go hide, then we're gonna see if we can go find him. So I'm just gonna point the camera the other way. Well, I'm drifting. There's some like people 12s is behind us. Oh, can't see Paul. Well, it's going. Oh wow, really? That's why we're not jumping off. It would be. We thought it'd be really cool to jump off the bridge, but then you know we're thinking no. All right, we got to see if we can find Paul. Where is he? You can't see him. Oh. Oh, there he is. There he is. Found him. Oh, this water is. The sun is so hot.
Collision course set.
Get out of it.
Collision course.
Holy! I'm telling you, man, these kayaks are horrible. I almost tipped out by like doing it a tiny bit harder. No collision courses.
Okay, they're stable list.
Yeah.
The largest people.
Yes. Just don't do it.
Just fell out. Alright,
Alright. Catch you later, people. It's about to crash! 3, 2, 1, go. Yeah, he's dead.
my god.
Life, regeneration, absent.
Titanic just went down. In another reality.
Mercy. We just like went from the half. rack off. I got this.
Man, no waves.
Oh, that's so cool. Yeah, that was all.